We are covering the critical path method, or CPM, for the FE civil exam. This topic is a key part of the project management knowledge area and is a frequent subject for questions. The goal of CPM is to identify the longest path of dependent activities through a project, which in turn defines the shortest possible time to complete the entire project. This longest path is known as the critical path. Any delay to an activity on this path will delay the project's final completion date. While the NCEES FE Reference Handbook has formulas for float, understanding the underlying process of the forward and backward pass is what will earn you points. Let's walk through a typical exam problem. Imagine a project with 5 activities. Activity A has a duration of 3 days, and Activity B has a duration of 2 days. Both can start at time 0. Activity C, with a 4-day duration, can only start after A is finished. Activity D, with a 6-day duration, can only start after B is finished. Finally, Activity E, with a 2-day duration, can only start after both C and D are complete. To find the project duration, we perform a forward pass, calculating the early start ES and early finish EF for each activity. Assuming we start at day 0, Activity A's ES is 0 and its EF is 3. Activity B's ES is 0 and its EF is 2. Activity C's ES is 3, making its EF 7. Activity D's ES is 2, making its EF 8. Now for Activity E, it cannot start until both C and D are done. This is a common exam trap. You must take the maximum of the preceding EF times. So the ES for E is the max of 7 and 8, which is 8. The EF for E is 8 plus its duration of 2, which gives us 10. The total project duration is 10 days. Next, we perform a backward pass to find the late start, LS, and late finish, LF. We start from the end, setting E's LF equal to its EF, which is 10. Its LS is LF minus duration, so 10 minus 2 is 8. For C and D, their LF is the LS of their successor, E, so both have an LF of 8. C's LS is 8 minus 4, which is 4. D's LS is 8 minus 6, which is 2. The predecessor for C is A, so A's LF is C's LS, which is 4. A's LS is 4 minus 3, which is 1. For B, its successor is D, so B's LF is D's LS, which is 2. B's LS is 2 minus 2, which is 0. With these values, we calculate the total float, which is LS minus ES. For Activity A, the float is 1 minus 0, which is 1. For B, it's 0 minus 0, which is 0. For C, 4 minus 3 is 1. For D, 2 minus 2 is 0. And for E, 8 minus 8 is 0. The critical path is the sequence of activities with 0 float. In this case, the path is B, D, E. The duration is 2 plus 6 plus 2, which equals our 10-day project duration. Activities A and C have a total float of 1 day, meaning the AC path can be delayed by 1 day without affecting the project's end date. Be careful not to confuse total float with free float. Free float is the time an activity can be delayed without affecting the next activity's early start, whereas total float relates to the entire project. Here's a mnemonic to remember the rule for handling multiple paths. Forward is max, backward is min. During the forward pass, you take the maximum EF of predecessors. During the backward pass, you take the minimum LS of successors. Mastering this mechanical process of forward pass, backward pass, and float calculation is essential for success on the FE civil exam. For free practice questions, AI-powered explanations, and more exam prep tools, visit openexamprep.com. That's openexamprep, all one word, .com.